Earning money has never been this straightforward and rewarding. Welcome to a revolutionary way of making money effortlessly, using the Mreward app. With this app, you are just a few taps away from earning real money. Firstly, download the Mreward app from your app store. Whether you're an iOS or Android user, it's available for everyone. After installation, open the app, and you'll be greeted with a simple and user-friendly interface. Begin by creating an account. You can sign up using your email address or social media accounts. As you register, remember to confirm your email address. This step ensures the security of your account, and it's a breeze. Once you've set up your account, it's time to start earning. Navigate to the Tasks section. Here, you'll find a variety of tasks to complete. These tasks could be as simple as watching videos, completing surveys, or even playing games. Yes, you heard it right. You can earn money while having fun. Each task carries a specific number of points. The more tasks you complete, the more points you accumulate. And what's more exciting? These points are convertible into real money. In the points section, you'll see your total earned points and their monetary equivalent. But wait, there's more. The Mreward app also offers a referral program. Share your unique referral code with your friends and family. Every time someone signs up using your referral code, you earn bonus points. It's a win-win situation for everyone. When you're ready to cash out, head over to the Wallet section. Here, you can choose from a variety of payout options. You can transfer your earnings directly to your bank account, or if you prefer, redeem them as gift cards from your favorite stores. Remember, consistency is key. The more frequently you use the app, the more money you can make. It's as simple as that. So why wait? Embrace this new way of earning money. Download the Mreward app today and start reaping the benefits. The potential to earn is limitless, and it's all at the tips of your fingers. Transform your free time into earning time with the Mreward app. Start today and watch your earnings grow.